Hi, my name is Quinn from MacDon. I'm the product support specialist for corn headers, and today we are going to talk about adjusting auger chain tension. Auger chain tension should be checked every 50 hours and adjusted as necessary. If auger chain tension is not checked on a regular basis, there is potential for wear on the chain and or sprocket components or early life failures. We have a flathead screwdriver or 13 mil wrench, a T50 Torx bit, a 13 millimeter socket, and a 13 millimeter open end wrench. To open the panel, to check auger drive chain tension, take the rear side of the header chain link, and you're looking for 3/4 of an inch of play. Too loose is better. If the chain setting is too tight, for example, 1/2 an inch, we have potential that as the chain goes around, there might be tight spots that we're not catching during the adjustment period, premature wear of the components. First, we'll loosen off our tensioning sprocket with our T50 Torx bit. Once the system is loose, we can take our 13 millimeter socket and loosen or tighten as required. Note, when tightening up the Torx bolt, the chain does tighten up slightly, so the setting must be checked and adjusted both before and after tightening this bolt. Currently, we're a bit on the loose side, so we're going to take our wrench, we're going to tighten up, we're going to check it. We've got approximately 3/4 of an inch of play in the chain. We're going to take our Torx bit, tighten up our sprocket bolt, and then check again.
All right, is there any sort of torque spec on those Torxes?
Tight. Ensure the T50 Torx bolt is torqued to spec. Depending on header sizes and configurations, the auger drive chain tension does need to be checked on both the left-hand and right-hand side of the header.